Hey besties, and welcome back to my channel. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button right down below, follow by clicking the bell that's right next to the subscribe button so you're notified of every single video I upload. Today guys, I'm going to be filming a quick what I eat in a day. I asked you guys on Instagram and you told me that you would love to see some of the things that I eat in a day. You guys, I'm going to let you know that my food fluctuates every single day. I never eat the same thing every day, but these are just some of the things that I eat to help me maintain my weight. As you guys know, I'm not at my fitness goal, but I'm on the road there. So here are a few things that, I eat. Okay besties, so starting out in the morning, I just like to eat something really simple and quick to get it done and over with. So I like to just crack one egg and I whisk it up into a bowl. Then I go into applying 2 slices of turkey bacon into the pan. I get my turkey bacon from Trader Joe's. If you don't like turkey bacon, try Trader Joe's turkey bacon and thank me later. This fries so crispy and it's just like, oh. I like to cut my turkey bacon into 4 so then it looks like I have more bacon than I actually do. Next, I like to just coat my pan a little bit with this organic earth balance vegan #butter kind of, and I just pour my eggs in the pan and I turn my pan on low so my eggs won't overcook. I don't like my eggs to be too fully cooked. Next, I just put my bacon inside of my eggs, that way when I'm putting it into my wrap it'll be easier to place in there. For some reason today my egg just did not want to flip and did not want to cooperate, but you guys honestly get the drift. This is how your egg's gonna look, not too overcooked for me. Then I like to go in with my Mission's carb balanced whole wheat tortillas, I think they say it, and I just heat that up in the microwave. I pour myself a glass of OJ and basically I pair the wrap with some fruit and that's my breakfast. Okay besties, so I ate breakfast around like 7:30 in the morning and now it's around 10:30, 11 o'clock and I'm starting to get hungry, but I'm not ready to eat lunch yet, so I'm just going to be snacking on this Trader Joe's PB&J bar. As you guys know, I'm on a low carb diet, which I like to stay between 100 to 150 carbs per day, and I also like to knock out my carbs in the morning, so that's why I'm snacking on this. Okay guys, so for lunch I'm going to be eating these shrimp burgers and just some mushrooms, asparagus and onions, and I'm just going to be heating this up in the pan. It's really simple and these shrimp burgers actually are really low on carbs. Okay besties, so starting out I'm just going to be putting some extra virgin olive oil into 2 non-stick pans. I'm going to be seasoning my asparagus, mushrooms and onions with salt, pepper and parsley flakes, and I've already started cooking them, but as you can see this is how they're going to turn out. I literally put them in a pan and let them cook for like 5 to 10 minutes if that, and I just sauteed them up and I put my seasoning on them and they tasted really good. And always remember, less season is always better, and this serving size is definitely enough for 2 people. And now here's a little ASMR. And for the shrimp burgers I just used extra olive oil, non-stick pan and a little bit of parsley flakes. And now this is how your food is going to turn out. You guys, this food was so good. I didn't use a bun for my shrimp burger, but Gary actually did because he's not on a low carb diet, and like I said, trying to watch how many carbs I eat, guys. Okay, so now it's around 4 o'clock, so I'm just going to be heating up this bowl of popcorn for me and Gary, and this is Skinny Pop, and then I'm going to be eating 3 of these fishies and then just drinking a bottle of water. Okay guys, so for dinner I just indulged in some leftovers. My aunt actually came over the day before and she cooked us rice and beans, stewed chicken and cabbage, so I just mainly ate like a couple pieces of the chicken and the cabbage. I ate my carbs in the morning, as you guys saw, so I couldn't really indulge in the rice per se, but I did eat some of the cabbage and the chicken. I honestly just forgot to show you guys, so I was so hungry and so tired. But guys, in a nutshell, this is normally how I eat. If you want to see more videos, if you want to see a more in-depth on what I eat in a week, then comment down below and give me a thumbs up so I know that you like these videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.